Hello viewers and welcome to Recipes You Like. Today in this video we are going to make eggless mango cake in microwave. Let us start the process of making our cake. First we will take 1 cup of milk and add 1 mango pulp. We have blended this mango pulp and made it into a form of puree using a little bit of milk. We'll add half a cup of condensed milk. And 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Take 1 cup of sugar. This sugar has been grinded. Mix all these ingredients properly. Now we will mix the all-purpose flour. We have taken 2 cups of all-purpose flour. We will slowly keep on mixing this. Now we will mix 2 teaspoons of baking powder and half a teaspoon of vanilla essence. Add 3 tablespoons of oil. Adding oil is totally optional. If you don't want to add oil, you can omit it out. And we will add few dry fruits, some raisins and also some walnuts. Make small pieces of walnuts and add to it. The consistency of your batter, the cake batter, should be such that it should make a stir like when it falls down. We will take a bowl for baking. First we will grease the bowl with a little bit of oil. Then sprinkle a little bit of flour over it. Dab the batter so that it settles down evenly. You can also bake your cake in these silicone baking bowls. No need to put any kind of oil in it. You can straight away put your cake batter into it and bake the cake.
Now put this into the microwave on high power for 5 minutes. To make sure that the cake is baked properly, pierce it with a toothpick, and if the toothpick comes out clean, then your cake is ready. Now we have given it a standing time of 5 minutes to cool down.
Our eggless microwave mango cake is ready to be served. Thanks for watching the video. Bye for now from Recipes You Like.